Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the information about the Google Cloud Study Jam program and how to complete that and what are the swag you will get after the completion, and I will tell you about the previous swag also. So subscribe to our channel for getting amazing updates. So you can check it out our playlist for completing the Arcade Trivia June 2024 week 1 solutions, or you can check it out the uh, arcade level 3 solutions are uploaded. You can check it out, and we are uploading the Arcade June level 1 solution, so please check it out. And let's go to the update now. This is the swag you will get if you are if the 80 student of your the GDSE will complete the task, and I will be telling you about what are the tasks about. So there are the two tiers for the completion. As you know that GDSE can include only 150 students for this program. So each GDSE has the 150 student, out of which if 62 student complete the all the pathways, they will be included in the tier 2. And if the 80 student complete that pathway, they will get a put into tier 1. So these are the tier 1 swags. You can claim it out. So for the tier 1, this is the page holder, and this is the diary, and this is not the more than one diary. This is only the one diary you will get. This is just for branding they have put out, and you will get a pen here. You can see that there is a pen for this diary. And the third swag is the card holder for your phone. So for that, do not think that this is a wallet. This is not the wallet. This is the card holder. So you can see that this is the card holder of this type. You just place to this card holder to your phone cover, and then you can hold different card to that. So now you have a clarity about the different swag you will get after the completion of the cloud study jam. So in the brief, I will be telling you about the Google Cloud Study Jam program. So as I have told you about that GDSE can include 150 students for this program. So there are different enrollment forms for those GDSE. Just you have to fill those forms, and there will be a confirmation mail for you. And for the current program, it was started in the beginning of the May and with the beginning of June. That is, or you can say that end with the ending of May. That is 31 May. So in this one month journey, you have to just complete the 3 pathway whose solution we will be providing you. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing updates. So now you are clear about how to get enrollment in the Google Cloud Study Jams program. But what about the completion? You should complete that program, then only you will get the swag. So for the completion, I will be telling you the I will already tell that you have to complete the three pathways, and for the uh, just stop here and go to the enrollment confirmation mail. Once you apply to different GDSE form, you will get a confirmation mail before the this program start. For example, it start at the beginning of May, so there is a date of 1 May 2024. So uh, s- uh, so this is the program about. So you can see that congratulations, you are now enrolled in the generated AI study and program. So this there are different study jam programs. This is not only about the generated AI. All the procedure I will tell, this is common to all the study jam program. You just apply to the GDSEs and get the confirmation email, complete all the path, claim your swags. If you still have any doubt, comment to this box. We will definitely sort out that doubt. So congratulations, you are enrolled in the generated AI study jam. So you can see that. So these there were three pathways. You have to complete that before the 28th May. But that end limit was extended for the students so that they can complete the pathway that was extended to the 31 May. So these were the three pathways, and you have to complete this before the 28th May. So if you complete that, you will get the you will become the eligible to get the swags. So you have to claim this redeem this credential before the second week of before the third week of the May, that is 14th May. Redeem it, and then you can see they have given you detail about the different step how to claim this. And there was an opportunity to get the 200 credits for the Google Cloud. So from here, now this is now you will be clear about how to what is the Google Cloud Study Jam program and how to participate in that, and what are the pathways you have to follow, and how to become the eligible for Google Cloud swags, and this is all about. So please subscribe to our channel. Their new edition will be come as early as possible. I think it will come in the September to October month. So please subscribe to our channel. We will be first on the YouTube to tell you about these updates. So now we will be gonna to back on the Google Cloud swag. So if you will ask me the cost of this swag, I think it is not more than 500. 500 is also the max limit. I think it is around the 300. So, and if you see the previous year's swag, you will see that you will think how good that was. That was generated Airbus Google Skill Boost pathways. So in your GDSE, if 40 students complete the pathways, you will get it put into tier 3, and you will get different sticker about Flutter and Google Cloud Study Jams. And if the 60 students from your GDSE successfully completed this task, you will be put into the tier 2, and same for tier 1. If you get if 80 students get those tasks completed, you will be put into the tier 1 group. So these were the previous year swag, and these were the this year swag. So there is no comparison between the previous and the current swag. So if you want to show some sport that you like the previous year swag rather than the current swag, so you just comment to this video previous swag greater than current swag, so that the Google Cloud become heard of your voice from our videos, and share the video whosoever has participated into this Google Cloud Study Jam program. And you can see that there were t-shirt for the tier 3, and that for the tier 2 there were t-shirt and bottle, and there was t-shirt and bottle along with the bag for the tier 1. So that was amazing. So please subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing opportunities. And you can watch our playlist about the Arcade June 2024 level 1 and level 3, and for the week 1 trivia. So this is all about this video. So I hope there is a clear cut understanding about the Google Cloud Study Jam. If you still have any doubt about the Google Cloud Study Jam program, we will be happy to sort your doubt. Just comment to this video, and like the video and share the video whosoever is participating in the arcade program, and never ending asking for you to subscribe our channel for getting these amazing solutions. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.